How to place a video inside text. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can place a video inside a text into a Kinemaster. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, import the recording. First of all, to enable the layer option on the menu wheel, then you'll have to click the layer. Now you'll see a text editing screen. Write the text you want to end the video and confirm by tapping the OK button. You'll return to the main screen after that. Now your text will be at the center of the video preview. Tap and drag to preposition the text box. Now there will be two arrow icons at the right edges of the box. You can resize the text by dragging the straight arrow icon or dragging the curved one to rotate it. You will see the text menu on the right side. This menu contains various options for text customize as well. So the Kinemaster on Android allows you to change your text in many ways. The size, font, color and background of the text are fully customizable. There are various effects you can add. Finally, you can choose whether the text will rotate, slide, drop or be animated in another way as well. However, to set up a text just the way you want it, you'll need to know your way around the menu. All the menu options described by rows, and they appear from left to right on the Android app itself. The first row has two icons followed by a button. There is a text input option represented by a simplified keyboard image and the text menu shown as a hamburger icon. The button is a circle check mark and it serves to accept changes as well. The second row featured three icons, that is the double A icon for the font section, a pair of scissors that lets you delete text and the white square for choosing the text color as well. And as you're done completing the procedure, then you place the video inside the text on Kinemaster. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.